Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create sticky header in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to actually install plugin. We have in here the sticky menu and sticky header. Head over and click on this install option right here, and then once it's been installed, just try to activate it by clicking on this activate option right here. Another thing that you can do is you can actually also install this my sticky menu right here. So head over and activate it as well. So you can use this right here or this second plugin that we have activated. Now let's use right here the second plugin, which is my second menu. Head over and click on this bar visibility, and you can actually see in here preview, and you can see in here the font size, or anything that you want added right here. You can change up the things, like you can also show the bar, close the bar, make sure that it's slide in, or it has an effect that it's been added. So head over and save this progress that you have just made. So this is just a sticky bar, so we can head over and edit out as well our actual sticky menu. Now, when we head over to our dashboard, we can see in here the sticky menu. So we need to configure it. Click on this configure right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So just choose the desktop or the menu that you want to use for this case. I'll head over and use my home page right here. Now in here, you can see in here the sticky Z index as well as it's disable. And all of these things that you can see right here, you can also make this visible on scroll as well if you want. So in here, you can also see the sticky transition time as well as CSS style that you can want for this one. So these are some CSS IDs and clients to use. So you can use these things right here, right? So head over and then click on this save right here, and then save and turn on sticky menu. Once you have done that, this will save your sticky menu right here. Now here is a preview, so it will take some time for the actual header to be actually sticky, but just head over and reload your site. It doesn't reflect immediately, but just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to make this a sticky menu. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.